In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use paper trading on Tradingview. Paper trading is a fantastic way to practice trading in a completely risk-free environment. Whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or an experienced trader testing out new strategies, this feature allows you to trade using simulated money while still getting real-time market data. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up your paper trading account, execute trades, and track your performance like a pro. Let's dive in and get started. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along with today's tutorial. First, open up Tradingview and navigate to your chart. This is the main workspace where you'll be managing your trades and monitoring the markets. Once you're there, take a look at the bottom of the screen and locate the Trading Panel tab. Click on it to open up a list of broker options. This is where Tradingview connects you to various brokers. But for today's tutorial, we'll focus on the paper trading option. From the list of broker options, select Paper Trading. This tool is specifically designed to let you practice trading without putting real money on the line. It's a safe environment to experiment and improve your skills without any financial risk. When you select it, you'll be prompted to connect to the paper trading account. Go ahead and complete that connection. Once you're connected, you'll want to explore the available assets. Tradingview lets you access a wide range of markets, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, and currencies. Browse through these options and select the ones that align with your interests or trading goals. This step is important because tailoring your practice environment to specific markets will help you focus on areas you want to improve. Next, it's time to set up your trading interface for ease of use. Locate the Paper Trading Settings menu, which appears as a gear icon. Click on it to access various options. One key setting you'll want to enable is the buy and sell buttons. These buttons will appear directly on your chart, making it quicker and less intimidating to execute trades. Once you've enabled this option, click OK to save the changes. Now, let's move on to placing trades. Look at the top of your chart. You should see the trade box. This is where the magic happens. If you want to open a trade, click the Buy button to open the trade panel for buying, or click the Sell button if you're looking to sell. This will bring up a panel where you can input the trade details. Here you'll specify the number of units you want to buy or sell. Additionally, you can set take profit and stop loss levels. These are crucial tools for managing risk. A take profit level ensures your trade closes automatically when it reaches a desired gain, while a stop loss protects you from excessive losses if the market moves against you. Once you've placed some trades, it's important to monitor your performance. Head back to the paper trading panel and click on the summary option. This section gives you a detailed overview of your account balance, equity, and both realized and unrealized profit and loss. It's a great way to analyze how well your strategies are working. You can also toggle additional information within the summary section to track specific data points. This step is key to understanding your progress over time. If you're experimenting with multiple strategies, Tradingview makes it easy to stay organized. Use the Add or Switch Accounts option, which is located next to the Paper Trading drop-down menu. This allows you to create multiple paper trading accounts. For example, you can dedicate one account to testing short-term trades and another to longer-term strategies. For an added layer of realism, revisit the Settings gear icon to adjust the commission percentage. This simulates broker fees, which are a real part of trading. By factoring in these costs, your practice sessions will more closely reflect actual trading conditions. And that's it. You now have all the tools you need to start paper trading on Tradingview. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.